So here with more, Judge Andrew Napolitano, Fox News senior judicial analyst. Judge, you spoke about this forcefully this morning. What do you make of it?
Well, exculpatory evidence is very, very rarely released after a guilty plea. This is evidence that helps the defendant or hurts the government. The reason it's never released is because after a guilty plea is because the guilty plea is final. It ends the case. The defendant says under oath, I did it, which is what General Flynn did here. The interesting and tantalizing question is, do defendants ever plead guilty when in fact they are not? And the answer is yes. Some judges will accept that because they know the pressures that are on defendants. They don't want to sell their house. They don't want their family to be prosecuted. They want this just to be over with. Some judges, like this one, Judge Sullivan, will not. So the question now becomes, did the government, did Bob Mueller's prosecutors believe that Mike Flynn was not guilty when they got him to say under oath that he was guilty? This sounds like hair splitting.
It's coercion.
But it's profound.
But that would be coercion, correct?
Correct.
So if you're Michael Flynn's attorneys, you're looking at this situation saying we now have information that we did not have when we allowed our client to plead guilty, when we probably advised him that this was the way to go. If we had had that information at that time, we would have taken a different course. Therefore, we need to open this thing back up again and take a look.
Okay, but here's the kicker. The order to open up the exculpatory evidence was not as a result of a request from Michael Flynn's lawyers. It was done by the judge on his own. Does he suspect some defect in Michael Flynn's guilty plea? We don't know the answer to that. So, look, it's a very difficult road to hoe because he said under oath, I did it. So if he didn't do it, then he lied when he said that. And if he did do it, then he lied to the FBI. Either way, he has a problem here with the court system. I think in my career, twice I tried to undo guilty pleas, and both times I was reversed by the appellate court. The guilty plea is final.
One of the other questions about Michael Flynn that is still out there, and it's another branch of this tree, is what documentation was used to unmask his phone calls.
Well, that's very interesting because
I mean, we're going to talk to Carter Page in a moment, but you know, it's a similar situation.
He may know the answer to that, but Mike Flynn's phone calls showed up in the Washington Post within a very short period of time after they made their way to the West Wing in the tail end of the Obama administration. How did that happen?
Yeah, great question. Judge, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good to see you as always.